Hi, this is Mrs. Young. I'd like to remind you today how we go about putting books on hold in the library. So, to do that, we are going to go to the high school page. And then once we're on the high school page, we can go ahead and click on library there in the gold bar in the middle. Once we get to the library page, we're going to scroll down just a little bit to this read section. We're going to be looking at the library catalog here, and I'll show you how to log into that. But I also want to show you that we're going to look briefly at the ebooks and audiobooks, and there's the link for it. On both of these, you're going to log into them using your network computer username and password, just like you would to log into your computer or log into the internet. Once this starts, we can go ahead and I'll show you how it gets set up here. You can see that there are popular titles along here, and you can scroll through that way and see what's being checked out or what's new. We've got a bunch of recently added books, so all of our new books go into this spot here, and there's also a see all to see more books that we've added recently. There's a collection section there with different types of books that we group together, and then there are ebooks and our audiobooks there. So to access a book, I'm just going to click on this one stamped, which by the way was an amazing book. And if I decide this is the book I want to put on hold, I'm going to click on login. I'm going to type in my username and password. Yours is going to be your student ID and then your password. And once it loads, again, I can click on that book title. I already have that one on hold. That's why. Let me switch to a different one. We'll do this one here. Then what I can do is just click on hold here. It'll pop up and it'll say it's available now, but please don't come to the library and grab this. We will be delivering them to you, and I'll also, if it's on hold for somebody else, first, I will let you know that and I'll send you a Schoology message. So that's all there is to it for putting a book on hold. If I want to do an ebook, I can do it one of two ways, or an audiobook. I can click on it here and I can just click on open. What it will do is it'll take me into that Sora app. And once it takes me into that Sora app, I'll log in with my computer username and password. I'm going to click on select my school. And then my username and password. And then I'll just click on borrow right here. And that will automatically check that out to me. By the way, if you can see right here that you can get this in a Kindle format. And so that's, if you have a Kindle, that's a great way to do that. You can also download the Sora app and Sora, Sora app, and then you can read everything on your phone as well. So that's how you go ahead and you check out or reserve books in the library, and then ebooks or audiobooks. Thanks for listening.